underneath the bumper, use a trim tool and just take these push pins out. There's 4 of them. Oops. Slide those out. That's good. Remove these screws over here. Use a T20 socket. Oops. You don't have to remove the wheel, but if you want to, you can. That one broke. There's another one here. Then just pull that panel out of the way, grab it, and just pull like that. Then we're going to do the same on the other side. Now we're going to pull the rear lights out, but we need to pull this trim piece out first. Raise this up. Attach that right there. Just grab this panel and just pull it out. And up, just like that. There's clips in the back that pull out and then up. And then peel the carpet away a little bit. There's a little push pin there. If you want to pop that out, just use a trim tool. Pop that off. And take these nuts off. There's another one over here. And another one way back in there. Is that all of them? Yep, looks like all of them. And grab the light and just slide it out. You can disconnect the connector and set it aside. Just push down on the connector tab, slide it out. And now do the same thing for the other side. And there's the clips that are holding the bumper on right here. Just slide the bumper cover up a little bit, past those clips. You should be able to pull. And same with on the other side. And just pull straight back. And then the electrical connector right here, just disconnect that, push down on the tab, and slide it up. Disconnect the connector for the sensor, just push down, slide it out. And then there's 2 tabs right here, slide those apart, grab the sensor. You can actually push it from the front. And just slide it in, just like that. And there's the old sensor. These new sensors are paintable. You can just paint them. You want to make sure you do a thin coat of paint. You don't want to put it on too thick or it will not work properly. And then slide it in position, lock it in place, take the connector and just lock it down. You can do the same with the other 3. Now line the bumper up. Make sure you connect the connector first. Lock it in place. That's good. And line the bumper up. It goes underneath this little ledge right there and then onto the clips. Do the same on this side. Just like that. Now take the side and just line this up. Now you can put the taillights back in, connect the connector, and just line the studs up. And put these wing nuts back in. And just snug them down. Reinstall the push pin. Now slide this plate into position. I'm going to push it down first. Once it's lined up, make sure you get these clips in. Move this weather stripping over. And then just snap it in place. You can lower this panel. And put the screws in the side here. And snug them down. And last, underneath, put these push pins back in. Line those up. And lock them down.